T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, abort.
Abort, abort, abort.
Launch abort is running. Yeah. I guess you go. If you've been following along, you know we had an abort during the launch countdown at around the T-minus 3 second mark. Prior to that countdown, countdown was proceeding nominally. Now please stand by while we check in with the teams to see if we can get more information. This is the launch director on countdown 1. We've had an abort. Currently assessing the situation. The vehicle is healthy. If you've been following along, you know we had an abort during the countdown at the T-minus 3 second mark. We just heard from our launch director. The vehicle and payload do remain healthy. Keep in mind the purpose of the countdown is to help us catch potential